Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 from Building Maintenance, the FB 40903 for fieldwork project for Section 1.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noshazani Najma and my matric number is TF21061. So for the fieldwork, it is located at Tunku Aminah Library, which is at University Tun Hussein on Malaysia. So the inspection took place on 30th December 2024 at 2:30 p.m. So the team inspected both the internal and external parts of the building to discover any defects or signs of wear and tear. The weather was sunny and this helped with the overall assessment. So this is the location of the UTHM library. The building is easily accessible via the main entrance of the university.
Okay, so this is the template for the defect sheet that was used in this project, and also the requirement values and descriptions as for the JKR standard. Okay, to evaluate the building rating as per building condition schedule following to the JKR standard, the total mark for the defect is get from the summation defect sheet, which is 504, and number of defects is 59, and the total score is 9. So the overall rating for the building of UTHM library is good.
Hi, my name is Izair from Ismail. Okay, next for the component analysis for the floor. Okay, mosaic flooring can crack due to a combination of structure instability, improper installation, environment factor, or wear and tear. So issues such as improperly prepared or shifting foundation, uneven adhesive application, or weak grout and can damage its integrity. Environmental factors such as temperature change or moisture absorption can cause the material to expand or contract or weaken over time. Additionally, Additionally, heavy loads, impact, or the use of low quality material can lead to crack or break. Finally, natural egging and high foot traffic contribute to the deterioration of the floor, making it more prone to damage. Next, we go to the solution and recommendation for the floor. To address the problem or cracking in mosaic flooring, several solutions can be implemented at various stages, from installation to ongoing maintenance. Here are the steps that can prevent or fix crack in the mosaic flooring. First, proper foundation preparation, which is ensure that the foundation or subfloor is structurally sound, level, and free of moisture. Second, use quality material or use high quality mosaic tiles or grout and adhesive to ensure long-term durability. Interior material can degrade more quickly and increase the risk of cracking. And the last solution and recommendation is avoid heavy load and impact, because mosaic floors can be vulnerable to damage from heavy load or highly impact activity. Try to avoid dropping heavy object on the floor or using furniture that could create point load.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fazil Muhammad Nizam. Nama matric EF210056. Now I will explain the component analysis work. During the inspection, it was found that there was cracking at the wall width of 20.5 millimeter. This crack may be caused by several factors such as load settlement, ground movement, and temperature changes that experience pressure on the wall. To ensure the safety of the building, it is important to deduct further inspection to identify the event cause the crack. Based on the internal assessment, it recommends to take remedial measures such as structure reinforcement of the use of filler material to ensure the long-term stability of the building. Okay, for the component analysis at wall, the certain boys toilet have cracking of fracture in the wall structure. The damage will use the low quality wall material such as brick, cement, finishing material which is prone to breaking when exposed to stress or moisture. Other than that, the room have the wall has cracking, which may appear as fine hairline cracking. Load this causes because of load or extend the capacity of the load bearing wall additional unplanned load. Okay, for component analysis at roof, at library we can get with water that not flow the properly because of have water lacking flow at certain part. This cause of defect it will damage the wear and tear the roofing material such as warp, sagging roof sheet can create area where water collected. Another that erosion at the top will cause an defect for damage to property layers such as anti-corrosion paint or waterproof coating leave the roof exposed. Okay, for component analysis for upper floor, the certain part at study room surface has cracking. It is because expansion and correction of building material due to sudden temperature change, which can cause cracking ceiling material. Other than that, the CCTV at 24 hours room for study ability to fix due to structure damage. This is because defect of ceiling installing work, such as use appropriate material, can weak the ceiling structure and load the fracture.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hidayah binti Azhar and my metric number is DF210010 and I will continue this presentation with internal finishes defects. Internal finishes in buildings must be of high quality and long lasting to ensure both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. However, over time, a number of flaws could appear in these finishes as a result of things like poor insulation, weather, wear and tear, or material deterioration. In the context of paint maintenance, several common defects can emerge over time, necessitating thorough inspection and appropriate corrective measures to ensure the longevity of painted surfaces. From the inspections, there were various paint defects found such as flaking, peeling, fading, staining, cracking, and mold growth. In order to fix these paint defects, it is recommended to use high-quality paint that are suitable with the condition of the room, use mold-resistant primers, and allow each layer to dry completely before applying next coat of paint. Next, from the inspections, we have found ceiling defects, such as peeling paint and stains, which is often caused by moisture issues. Peeling paint can result from water leaks from plumbing, roof, or air conditioning units, poor surface preparation, or the use of low-quality paint. Stains are commonly caused by water leaks and mold growth due to high humidity or poor ventilation. To remedy these issues, first identify and fix the source of moisture or stains, such as repairing leaks or improving ventilation. Use high quality and mold resistant primers and paint, and use mild detergent to remove mold. Moreover, from the findings, the carpet were also ripped and torn due to electrical work, and stain were also found on the carpet, which often result from spills like fluid, food, grease, and oil. To prevent this, use protective coverings, keep tools clean, and avoid placing them on the carpet. Rips and tears can occur when accessing wiring beneath carpets. Therefore, careful planning and minimal disturbance can help prevent this damage. Furthermore, from the inspection, there were also defects on window blinds. Window blind cords often break due to wear and tear, poor materials, and improper use. Sun exposure can also weaken the cords, and pulling too hard or at an angle can cause damage. To prevent this, choose blinds with durable cords, inspect them regularly for wear, and replace damaged cords promptly. Next is the external finishes defects such as external paint defects and tile cracks. External paint defects like fading and wrinkling affect a building's appearance and durability. Fading occurs from sunlight, UV exposure, or low quality paint. Wrinkling is caused by thick layers and insufficient drying time. To prevent these issues, use high quality, weather resistant paint, apply thin and even coats, and allow proper drying time under favorable conditions. Tile cracks often result from structural movement, uneven adhesive application, or lack of expansion joints. To prevent cracking, ensure the substrate is stable, use high quality adhesive, and apply evenly, and also include expansion joints in large tile areas to handle movement and temperature changes.
Okay, as for the component analysis for the door element, this on the slide, these are the defect that have been analyzed at each level. As for the general solution for the all defects is regular maintenance and inspection and use weather resistant paints and sealant. Okay, to summarize the component analysis for the windows, the defects are dirt and water stain, frame gaps, and broken handles. So the causes mostly caused by environmental exposure and improper use. So the solutions are implement regular cleaning schedule and apply water repellent coatings. Second is use accurate measurements and high quality sealant during installation. Third is replace broken load handles with sturdier component and educate user on proper handling. Fourth is install weatherproof windows and use durable, corrosion-resistant material for high humidity areas. And also conduct periodic inspection to ensure yearly defects detection and timely maintenance.
For the electrical fittings, first is loose wall sockets. And this is resulted from improper installation and also inadequate fixings such as screws which fail to attach to the socket to the wall properly. Over time, the socket becomes misaligned and also detached. This will lead to poor electrical connections and also potential sparkling. Second is exposed and damaged wires. The process is first physical impacts such as accident or wear and tear can strip insulation and also make the wires vulnerable. Poor installation techniques also enhances this problem. Improper wire management such as unorganized routing can also expose wires, causing serious electrical hazards if not handled. So third is damaged lights for the electrical fittings. This happen due to loose or faulty bulb connections and also electrical connection issues. When loose bulb fail to make proper contact, it causes intermittent flickering. Additionally, loose wiring in the electrical circuits will disrupt the flow of the electricity, leading to unstable lighting. So the recommended solutions for all these electrical fittings is to ensure all components are securely fastened and proper insulation is maintained. Second is any safety hazards such as exposed wires, faulty wiring or faulty circuits must be checked periodically by a licensed electricians, and all repairs must be performed in accordance with current electrical codes. And lastly, continuous inspection of electrical components and system to make sure that it was in good condition. Sanitary fittings, there are two, which is detached floor trap. This happened due to improper installation and also wear and tear over time. Poorly secured trap can loosen, causing disconnection from the surrounding flooring. Also, continuous exposure to water, cleaning agents, and also frequent usage accelerates degradation and make the fixtures weaken. Second is rusty toilet sink faucets, resulted from corrosion due to prolonged water exposure and also high humidity levels in the toilet. Constant contact with water accelerates the corrosion process. Over time, this damage will weaken the faucet, affecting functionality and also the appearance. So, recommended solution for these defects of sanitary fittings is first to treat the rusty fittings by using rust removers to clean off the corrosion, followed by a coat of anti-rust primer to prevent further damage. Secondly, in cases of severe rust, replace the affected components. And for damaged sanitary fittings, it is necessary to replace the entire unit or repair the specific broken part. And lastly, use high quality, corrosion resistant materials such as stainless steel or plastic coated fittings. And that is all for me. Thank you.
Okay, for CMS report, there are 5 columns. For each column must declare where and how the level condition is. For example, discussion corrosive, the apparatus must low priority, and access is roof, and status is open, and type is inspection, must inspection only, and continue with other maintenance and another aspect for access. Okay, this is relevant, evident, and reference. There are five evidence that we use to make this report.